Hi, boys and girls. It's me, Miss Yarnell. I hope you're doing well. This week, we'll be talking about rules. Our big question is, why are rules important? Take a moment to come up with your hand motion. I hope you've got one. Now, I know we've got rules in the classroom, and you probably have rules in your house, too. Go ahead and think about what those rules are in your house. I can think of a couple. Maybe there's a rule where you're not supposed to jump on furniture. Or maybe there's a rule where you have to finish your homework before you can do other fun things. Why do you think those rules are important? I like to think about what would happen if we didn't have those rules. If you didn't have a rule that said, don't jump on furniture, and then you chose to jump on the furniture, what might happen? I imagine that you might fall and hurt yourself. I think that's the biggest reason that might be a rule in your house. But there are lots of reasons that we have rules, and there's lots of reasons that those rules are important. So we'll be spending this week talking about rules of different parts of the world, different parts of our country, and different parts of our lives. And we'll be thinking about why those rules are important. Let's watch our video about rules. Remember, you should be thinking about things that you notice and maybe some questions that you have. If you have any big questions after watching the video, please feel free to email me or message me on Class Dojo to ask those questions. Rights and rules. Why are rules important? Throughout the day, we follow many rules. At school, there are rules for how to get on the bus. We stay in line and climb the steps carefully. There are also rules for how to behave in class. When we want to answer a question, we raise our hands and wait for the teacher to call on us. If everyone talked at once, we couldn't hear each other or the teacher. Following the rules helps us learn. We also follow the rules when we play at the park. At the park, these children are following the rules by taking turns on the slide. This way, everyone gets to have fun and no one gets hurt. Following the rules keeps us safe. Remember, you should have been thinking about what you noticed and what you wondered. If you've got any remaining questions, please feel free to reach out to me. Otherwise, you can end the video here and watch our next video on our vocabulary.